Good morning, traders. TG Watkins here. It is Monday, November 20th. Hope everyone's doing well. Just want to remind you that we do still have our Black Friday sale going on. We've got a lot of things up for sale, about 30% on most of them. Remember, the code is BFS23, like Black Friday Sale 23, and we have Thanksgiving this week. So just remember, the market is going to be closed Thursday on Thanksgiving Day, and then Friday is a part day, so it closes a couple hours early. All right, so just want to make sure, go to simplytrading.com/flash sale. All right, guys? And then let's show you some names that we have been trading that are working out very nicely for us. So XPEV is one of these. We just got into this, and you know what? It just came out of what I call a trampoline move. Price below the 50, Moxie Indicator above 0. And in fact, it had two of those. You can see price below the 50, Moxie Indicator above 0. That was around earnings, so I like to wait till after earnings. And finally, this thing is up, looking pretty nice. Now, China looks like it's kind of perking up a little bit. I've been very hesitant to trade Chinese names in general, but they do look like they're starting to do a little bit better out there. It seems everything is kind of settling in a bit. Another one that we are trading and starting to do well, we have IonQ. So we can see this one, same thing. It's been pulling back, testing some support. We have now moving averages moving in the upward direction. The Moxie indicator is above 0. We've got the other things crossing positively. So that one is doing well. And then we can also look at AI, kind of in a similar fashion. You can see a lot of these names kind of doing the same thing. They found a level like this, and then they started to move up. So we're having a pretty good day with AI, as it has come in and tested support a couple times on this move to the upside. Then I can show you guys another one. We got Spotify, and this one was actually from a subscriber. So, you know, I do kind of think some of this is a team sport for us over at Simpler. We have a lot of really smart subscribers out there who are other traders, and we're all in the trading room talking to each other, and they ask questions and say, hey, what about this one, about this one? And I tell you, so, you know, they can bring us really great ideas, and I have no hesitancy to take them. So Spotify, I saw this thing. I said, yeah, that looks really great as it's holding the moving averages here. And same thing here on the hourly chart. Just look how clean that has been on the hourly chart. So very grateful about that one. And then another one, we got ARM. People have been talking about this one for quite some time since its IPO. And I like to give it a little bit of time. Clearly, it was in a downtrend, so don't want to be jumping into that. And then I like to wait till after earnings. And then look what happened after earnings. We had a double top. We waited for the pullback, and now we got in. And today, Monday morning, having a great day. It is breaking out, so very happy about this one. So yeah, if you guys are interested, come on over to the Moxie Trading Room over at Simpler Trading. We've got coupon codes and all that kind of stuff. We have demos if you want to come in. And if you guys like the Moxie Indicator, you can jump on that thing too. All right, guys, thanks again, and we will see you pretty much next week because we've got Thanksgiving on Thursday, so it's a shortened week. All right, guys, thanks again. Bye. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.